Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tilapia on the grill. Start by selecting fresh tilapia fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve a beautiful sear and prevent sticking. Next, season your fish generously with salt, black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you enjoy. Finally, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, to prepare for perfect grilling. Once your grill is hot, lightly oil the grates to ensure your tilapia doesn't stick. Carefully place the seasoned fillets directly onto the preheated surface. Grill each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's done when the fish turns opaque throughout and flakes easily with a fork. Remember, tilapia cooks quickly, so be careful not to overcook it, which can lead to a dry texture. To elevate the flavor of your grilled tilapia, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right after it comes off the grill works wonders, adding a bright, zesty finish. Fresh herbs like chopped parsley, cilantro, or dill sprinkled over the top also provide a lovely aroma and taste. For an extra touch, serve your fish with a simple sauce, perhaps a light lemon butter sauce or a fresh fruit salsa. You could also marinate the fillets for about 30 minutes beforehand. For the best experience, serve your perfectly grilled tilapia immediately while it's still warm and flaky. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Consider a crisp, fresh green salad or some roasted seasonal vegetables for a light and healthy accompaniment. For a more substantial meal, a side of fluffy quinoa or wholesome brown rice complements the fish beautifully. Don't forget to garnish with a few lemon wedges and a sprig of fresh herbs for an inviting presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.